Okay folks, in this video, I'm going to help you download JASP. The first thing you'll want to do is you'll open your web browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. Go ahead and type in JASP into the search bar. You'll see jasp-statistics.org. Go ahead and click that hyperlink and you'll see where it says download JASP. Go ahead and download JASP and you'll see that there is different platforms for the Windows, Mac, and Linux. I am on a Mac OS device and I have an Apple Silicon chip. If you're on the Macintosh and you're not sure if you have an Intel or if you have the Silicon chip, go ahead to the top left corner and click the Apple icon and select About This Mac. You'll see here that I have the Apple M2 Pro. The M2 is the M2 chip. If your computer says Intel, then you'll have an Intel processor. So go ahead and select Apple Silicon. My download window is opening this box, and once completed, I'll show you how to download it from there. Okay, so now that JASP has successfully downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and double click the .dmg file, and this little box is going to pop up here. To move it into the applications folder, I'm going to drag it over to where it says application, and it should drop it directly in there. So this is my progress bar, and there you have it. You can see that JASP is now part of my applications folder. And there you go. Now the JASP is successfully opened on your computer. Hope this video is helpful. We'll see you all in the next one.